Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you're going to learn how to use the phrase followed by. If you find this useful, then please hit like, and if you'd like to see more videos, why not subscribe to the channel? Let's get started. When do we use the phrase followed by? To say what comes after something else in a sequence. The UK's favourite takeaway is Chinese, followed by Indian. So if you look at the graph, you can see what we mean. So Chinese is the most popular, followed by Indian. That means that Indian comes second, followed by fish and chips, followed by pizza. In English, the letter Q is always followed by the letter U. Queen, quiet, square, quote, consequence, mosque. You can see that in all cases we have Q first and then U, or Q followed by U. The UK's most densely populated city is London, followed by Birmingham. And we can see this again on the graph. So London has the highest population, followed by Birmingham, followed by Liverpool, followed by Nottingham. We also use followed by to say what comes after something else in a series of events. The meeting was followed by a coffee break. So here first we have the meeting, and then we have a coffee break. We had roast beef as a main course, followed by chocolate cake for dessert. First we have the roast beef, and then that is followed by chocolate cake. The class is followed by a 10-minute break. So first we have the class, and then after that we have a break. We also use followed by to say that someone is behind another person with the same destination, or going in the same direction. A duck swam by, followed by her ducklings. So here you can see the duck, the mother duck in front, and then the ducklings, or baby ducks, behind her. So the mother duck is being followed by her baby ducks. Jack reached the top of the hill first, followed by Vicky. We can see in the picture, so Jack is in front of Vicky. He is the first to reach the top, followed by Vicky second. Sally came in first, followed by Michael. So here we've got a race situation, and you can see Sally winning the race, followed by Michael wearing number 11, coming second. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you did find that useful, then please remember to hit like, and if you'd like to see more videos, why not subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.